Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a necklace out of paper. This is simple but looks amazing. If you are looking for a very unique and special gift for someone, this is an excellent idea. We will first look into the things required. We will need some pieces of paper like this. I will tell you the dimensions of the shape. This side is 1.5 centimeters long and the length of the paper is 15.5 centimeters. We will also need some binder glue. And then the paper quilling tool. And some eye pins. And the length of the eye pin is 2.5 centimeters. We will also need some glass beads. And the round nose pliers and the flat nose pliers. Those are the things we need. So let's get started with the project. I'm going to be ready with some binder glue. And then take the paper quilling tool, and if you look at this paper quilling tool carefully, you can see that we have a slot in the middle, and we are going to take the piece of paper and we simply slide the paper into the slot like this. And you see this tail right here. We don't need this tail to be hanging over the edge of my tool, so I'm going to bring that right to the edge of my tool. And then we can start to turn the tool so that it starts the paper rolling up. And we can apply some binder glue like this and then keep rolling it to make the paper bead. I'm going to apply some more glue here and then roll it back again. Now we have completed making our first bead. And after that you can take the bead out of the tool. It looks like this. I will show you the second bead as well. Take the piece of paper and insert that into the slot, and then you can start rolling it up. While doing that, you can apply some glue like this, and then continue to roll it up to make the paper bead. And I'm going to apply some more glue here and then continue to roll it up. Now we have the second bead as well. We can take it out like this. Just like that, we will continue to make the other beads as well. Now we have all the beads ready here, and we will see how to attach them together to make the necklace. Now we will take one of our eye pin and insert the bead into it. And then I will show you how to make a loop on the other side. First take the flat nose pliers and bend the wire like this. And then I'm going to take the round nose pliers and I want to grab the end of the wire with my pliers, and we just twist the pliers to make the loop like this. Now you can see there is two matching loops on each sides. And then take another eye pin and I'm going to insert some beads to the eye pin and making sure to leave about a 1/3 of an inch to the wire to make the loop. So here I'm going to insert 8 of these beads. And then I'm going to grab my flat nose pliers and bend the wire from here, and then grab the round nose pliers and I want to grab the end of the wire with my pliers, and we just twist the pliers to make the loop. And we are not going to close it straight away, but we are going to insert the bead into that and then close it up. Now you can see that we have connected the pieces together, and just like that we are going to continue to attach the other pieces as well. And then next is going to be another bead. So we will take another eye pin and insert a bead of another color and grab the flat nose pliers and bend the wire from here, and then use your round nose pliers to make the loop and insert the other piece and close it up to connect them together. Now this is what you have to continue to do. You have to repeat the exact same thing until you get the required length. Now I'm going to insert some beads into the next eye pin. grab the flat nose pliers and bend the wire from here and use your round nose pliers to make the loop, and stop halfway and insert the pieces together like this. Now we have 4 pieces connected, and just like that we are going to continue to attach the other pieces too. Now I have completed attaching all the pieces together, and this is going to be the very last piece of the necklace. And I'm going to open the other end of the eye pin and then join the other end of the necklace into the loop and close it up. Now we have our necklace ready. I hope I have explained all the instructions clearly for you. If you have any question regarding making this, you can comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching Hiru Handmade.